I love Inspira because I always eager to learn new things. And there I got this opportunity to learn so many new things from my trainers because all my trainers they have their prospects and experience and they always share with me their valuable experience and I learn so many new things from my trainers every day and I got one more opportunity there. I book my session according to my availability every day and and one more thing is when I joined Inspira, that time I was not able to speak more than a minute, but now I am speaking very well because of my trainers. So I give the big thank you to all my trainers as well as my success manager Kitu ma'am and my team coordinator in Elsa ma'am because she always helped me a lot. And I give the big thank you to Inspira for giving me that opportunity to learn new things. Thank you, Inspira.